So I am in jail, can't get out. This is really my only real view. Supposed to be here for an hour. Don't know what they want me to do while I'm in here for the hour, but yeah, this is Supermax prison. See how tiny the cell is, and this is what happens when it becomes night. No light anyway, just in the dark cell. While I have you here, unable to go anywhere because of whatever I did. You see those tracks over there? No, this is detention. Yeah, I mean, yep, detention. At least I don't have to draw any trades or letters. But still, it's all good. Just have to sit here for an hour. I'm not gonna be on for an hour, but yeah, just for a few minutes. Have to be in this detention. Um, upon leaving on the north and southbound lines, which is bound from College Park to Bio stations, the rails have been electrified. Now, we do intend to electrify these northern rails from Cornelius to Vanderbilt stations. But the reason why they're not being done is because the lines haven't been getting heavily used. So once we start seeing more usage on the east and westbound line, we're going to electrify it. Until then, northbound line and southbound line is perfectly operable under new circumstances. Yeah, the trains do move faster now because of this, and it's harder for villagers to push you in the opposite direction. So it's a very good one. We also plan to add more stations, north and east and west. Right now we have 4 stations that are south. We will add more stations. It just we are now able to make the trains work harder and go further distances simply because of the lines that come with them. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'm in detention. When detention gets out, I will wonder if I could bust out of here. Think I should try it? Bust out of here. Now you see, I could easily go. Uh oh, there's a guard here. Not the only escapee, but that's what happens when you escape. So this wasn't too smart of an idea because I broke out of that window right there and I landed here. So I could go into the ocean, and if it weren't for whatever guard that's in the ocean, which is most likely this one, I would have been home free. Guard's not gonna shoot me though, cause I work for, never mind the front door guards. They're on the constant lookout for escapees. Now see if I escape to this island here. This guard is coming. No, are they coming? No, they're not. They're not gonna come. So they can populate this island with escapees, and the guards won't come looking for them. Guess they don't care. And this is another island. Believe it or not, this island was actually owned by the prison, but it got sold off because the prison couldn't find a way to extend its reaches over here. So now that's Woodward Island, which contains the notorious detention center. We will show you how there are two prisons on that particular island, the detention center, and then you have the maximum security prison. They are interchangeably used. And then there's a third prison that nobody wants to mention because of its purpose. We will also take a look at that next episode. Have a good day. May God bless you.